Shiva. Why so? 37 people are coming. Each one of them will smash 37 plates. How many plates are required? How many plates are required? I got only one answer. Okay, and now I got it. Very good, Gagna. Okay, Shiva got the answer. Gautam Krishna, very good. So, all right. And let me tell you, this plate smashing ceremony is a Greek tradition. Okay, it is a Greek tradition. Now, how did you find the answer? Who will speak?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there are 37 people and everyone would break all 37 plates. One person
Yeah.
would break 10 plates or like that.
Right.
So
Right.
everyone will break one plate. So it's obviously 37 and 37.
Wow. 37 into 37. So how did you find 37 into 37? Any answer? Like how did you multiply? Your normal maths? Did you apply your normal maths?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No worries. So to multiply 37 by 37, see, if you will be learning with me, I am going to tell you so many short tricks and other things as well. Right? I will be telling you one method for 37 into 37, but why did I ask you the question? Anyone? Did you understand what we are going to learn?
Ma'am,
Any
we're
idea?
going to learn squares and square roots.
Wow. Superb, superb, superb. All right, let's start. So now, how do you find area of a square? Who will tell me?
S square, ma'am. S into S.
Area of a square,
Yes, it
A
is.
square, ma'am.
side
Side
into
into
side,
side.
right? Okay, let's say the side of your square is 1. What will be the area?
1, ma'am.
1. Okay, let's say it is 2 meter. Then
4, ma'am.
4 meters.
4. You are, if I say you are speaking wrong, then
4 meters.
no.
4, ma'am.
Ma'am, 4 meter square.
Oh, absolutely. Who said 4 square meter? And I can see so many videos of. Let me check. I will be speaking your name whose video is off. Gagana. Everyone, video on, okay? All right. Now, what will be the area if it is 3 meter?
9 meter square.
Wow, 9 square meter or 9 meter square. What will be the area if it is 4 meter?
16
Ma'am,
meter.
16 meter square.
16 meter square.
16 square meter. Okay, what will be the answer if it is 5 meter?
25 square
25
meters.
meters.
5 meters.
Who said 95?
25 meter square.
25 square meter. Perfect. Okay, what if it is Q meter or Q?
Q square, ma'am.
Q meter square.
Right. So you will do Q into Q. That will be Q square. Am I right? Q square. So what is the special thing about all the numbers I have written here?
All are square numbers.
Ma'am, they're
All
all
are
square
square,
numbers that
right.
multiply
So
themselves.
from here, what do you understand by the word square?
Ma'am,
What do
when
we understand by
multiply
squares?
number by itself,
Number
it is a square.
multiplied by itself, right? Number multiplied by itself. Fine. Let me write it here. Number multiplied by itself. Anything else you know about this square?
Ma'am, 5 square is a perfect square.
Wow. So the word you said, perfect square. So if I say all these numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, Q square, they all are square number, right? Anyone can tell me about a square number? What do you understand by this square numbers?
Ma'am, they're
It's
multiplying
2.
itself.
4. Square number is 4.
Yeah. So these numbers are like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. They all are square numbers. Okay. Now if I ask you, Do you think this 17 is a square number?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's not a square number, but you
No,
can
ma'am,
make
it's
it
not
a
a
square.
square number.
But why? Why it is not a square number? My question is why it is not a square number?
Ma'am, because the square numbers have only
Ma'am,
the even number at the last.
Okay. But
Ma'am, they only have
9 is a odd number and it is still a square number.
ma'am, it's a
only
prime
numbers is
numbers.
1, 4, 9,
It is a
6.
prime
Ma'am,
number.
it's
Okay, let's say 32. Let's say 32. That is the even number. Now tell me why it is not a square number.
Ma'am, because it cannot be divided by prime
Ma'am,
numbers
because
equally.
it is a prime number.
Exactly. So it should be a square of the number. Okay, let's say 5 is square is 25 and 6 is square is 36. So 32 is not a square number. Why? Because it is not a square of any number. Okay, is it clear? So 32 is not a square number. All right. Now, how do you, okay, and anything else? Someone said perfect square. So what are perfect square?
Ma'am,
Which has equal sides.
Equal sign?
ma'am,
Yeah.
Like which has
we call it perfect square because if any number multiplied by itself, the result should be come. So the result will be the perfect square number.
Ma'am, example 5 square.
Exactly. So in square numbers are also called perfect square. You understood about square numbers? And those square numbers are also called
Perfect square.
perfect square. That means when you multiply a number with another number, not another, when you multiply the number by itself, your result is the perfect square. Okay, square number are also called perfect square.
ma'am, we're doing the
Okay.
chapter square and square roots, right?
That's great. What did you say? Did someone ask anything?
Ma'am, I'm asking the chapter name. It's square and square
Yeah,
roots,
square
right?
and square roots we are doing. Okay, all right. Now, if I say that if you multiply n by n, your result will be m. Now, this m is your perfect square. That means when you multiply a number itself, the answer is your perfect square. Is it clear? Did you understand, kids?
Yes, ma'am. Could you
All right.
say it again?
What shall I speak again? Do you want me to
About this perfect square, could you say it again?
perfect square? When square numbers are also called perfect square, like 1, 4, 9, okay, 16. So when you multiply a number by itself, the result is perfect square. Okay, let's say there's a number n, you multiply it by itself, n. So the answer you will be getting is known as perfect square. Okay, now you do are you do you have any doubt or this is clear to everyone?
Here, ma'am.
Okay, now
Clear,
I'm giving you one question. Find perfect square between 20 to 30. Find all perfect squares between 30, no, 20 to 30. And one more thing, send your answer in chat box. Okay, I am waiting. Let's see who is the fastest one in my class. Let's see who is the fastest one in my class.
Ma'am, 7.
Okay, very good. Only one.
Ma'am,
So how many perfect squares are there between 20 to 30? My mistake, I wrote 40. It should be 30. Only
Five, ma'am.
one,
Only
which
the
is,
square of 5.
yeah, the square of 5. The answer is 25, which is only one perfect square number is there. Okay. Now, see, understand the question. Find all perfect square between 20 to 30. If I am writing my answer 25, do you think it is correct?
Ma'am, you should write 5
Yes,
square.
ma'am.
5 square. Okay. All right. Oh, 6 and 5. Only 6 and 5. That is wrong.
Ma'am,
25
you
and
wrote
okay. Earlier my question was between 40. There was a I wrote something wrong on my screen. Okay. All
ma'am.
right. Now let's quickly move. Okay. What if I say, if I give you a big number, let's say 6, 8, 5, 4, 3. Do you think it is a perfect square? Now
No,
this is a
ma'am.
big number. How will you come to know whether it is perfect or not?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, by its unit digit.
Wait, Lasya, I want to see you on the screen. Where are you?
Ma'am.
I
Why
think
you have written 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 27, 30 in the chat box? Do you think they all are square, perfect square numbers? Say yes or no. Tell me, Lasya.
ma'am, I
See, oh,
guess the perfect square numbers by the last digit.
okay. See, Lasya, if you have written them as a perfect square, that means your understanding related to square is little wrong. Perfect square. Do I need to make you understand again? Tell me, I will make you understand. Don't worry. Okay. So Lasya, let's say you multiply 5 by 5. What is your answer?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't got your question.
5 into 5.
25.
So this 25 is a perfect square number. Okay.
Ma'am.
Let's say you multiply 3 by 3. What's your answer?
3 and
Three.
3, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 into 3.
9.
So 9 is your perfect square. When you multiply a number by itself, any, let's say 9 into 9, what will be your answer? What will be your answer? 9 into 9? 81. So this 81 is a perfect square. Okay. 81 is a perfect square. You got it? All right. Now, so perfect square means when you multiply a number by itself, your answer is a perfect square. Okay. Let's say if I ask you 21, you cannot take two same numbers to multiply and get the answer. Right?
So,
Yes,
in the
ask
set
me.
squares, we need to see whether the number is coming in a table or not, like that, ma'am.
In a number, let's say you are checking the
Prime
number of
numbers.
4, so it should come at 4. If your number checking 5, so it should come at 5 only. This is the easiest way to understand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that's why see 7 times 3 or 3 times 7. So it is not a perfect square. Okay. All right, kids. Now let's move ahead quickly. Yeah. So I was asking you that if you look at the now unit place. Yeah. I was asking you, do you think that this number, the 68,543, do you think this is a perfect square?
No, ma'am.
Then how, see, for small number, we know. But how do we know about bigger numbers?
Ma'am, through units digit.
Through unit digit. Okay. So let's write few squares. What is the square of 1?
1.
Keep telling me, everyone. 2 square.
4,
4.
3 square.
9,
4 square.
16.
5
16,
square.
25,
21,
Okay. 6 square.
36,
36,
Wow, great. 7 square.
49.
49,
8 square.
64.
64.
Wow. 9 square.
81,
81.
81. 10 square.
100.
100.
100. Now, even if I take some more square, let's say 11 square. What is the square of 11?
121.
121,
12 square.
144.
144.
13 square.
169.
169,
14 square.
196.
136.
15 square.
225.
Okay. 16 square.
256.
17 square.
289.
289. Wow. Now I'm just getting one voice only. What happened? Energy over. 18 square.
324.
324. 19 square.
Forgot. 361.
361 sure?
Yes, ma'am.
20 square.
400.
400.
Okay. What do you observe in this? When we are finding the square, do you see 1, 4, 9, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. Do you see the same pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, while finding the square, did you find 2 anywhere? In the
No,
unit
ma'am.
place only. When I'm talking about number, I'm just referring to unit place. Okay.
No,
Did
ma'am.
you find 3 anywhere?
No, ma'am.
Did you find 4?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Did you find 5?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Did you find 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you find 7?
No, ma'am.
Did you find 8?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Did you find 9?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you find 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So if your number is ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, they cannot be a perfect square. Okay? If the unit place, I am writing also, if the unit place of a number is 2, 3, 7, 8. In other language, we can easily say this also. If the number is ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, number cannot be a perfect square. Okay, if the unit place of a number is 2, 3, 7, 8, that number cannot be perfect square number. Okay, is that clear to you? You can send your reaction, thumbs up, or so that I will come to know that it is clear or not. Very good. So if the unit place of a number is 2, 3, 7, 8, that number cannot be a perfect square number. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, let's move to the next thing. So, see, just by looking at the number, if your number is ending by, if your number is ending by
I have a
2,
doubt.
3, 7, 8, you don't even need to check anything. Okay. See, if your number is ending by 2, 3, 7, 8, you don't even need to check. Let's say if your number is ending by 1, okay, 4, then 9, then what is the remaining number? 6. 1, 4, 9, 6, or we can say 0. Am I missing any number?
5, ma'am.
5. Okay. Now, if my number is ending by 149605, then you need to check, okay? Then you need to check whether it is a perfect square number or not. Otherwise, you do not need to check. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Now, okay. So we have still so many things to know. Are you kids writing? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, another thing is that, like, if you need to find, there are so many things I will be telling you about these squares. We are going to learn so many facts, but now I am going to tell you something more. Okay, so see, the thing is, yeah,
Ma'am, last year, ma'am, I don't know. Suddenly, I got left from the class, ma'am. I was trying. I have little. I don't know. I just left, ma'am. Could you say again, ma'am?
what do you want me to repeat? Tell me.
Ma'am, after you say you were saying that if in unit place the number, after that, ma'am.
Okay, see, if the unit place of your number is 2, 3, 7, 8, then your number cannot be a perfect square number. Okay. then it will not be a number multiplied by it. It will not be the result of the number multiplied by itself. It cannot be possible. If the unit place in your number, if your number is ending with 149,605, then there are chances that your number will be a perfect square number. See, still there no surety that your number will be perfect square number. We will be confirming by checking. But the thing is, there are highly chances. If the number is ending with 2378, then you don't even need to check. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But just by looking at the number, you can cancel that it is not a perfect square number. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how you know that how we multiply a number by itself to find the square? Okay. How to find square? Let's say I am giving you any random number. Let's say 37. To find the square, you multiply 37 by 37 like this. Yeah. But now because we are learning square and square roots, we will be learning few things by doing which are going to help you to find the square. Okay. Now let's learn very easy thing today. I'm writing few numbers. What is the square of 5?
25.
What is the
25.
square of 15?
225.
225.
What is the square of 25?
625.
1225. 625, sorry.
35?
122.
45?
No.
55? 65? My God, I'm not getting answer. Why? 75? 85? Okay. Tell me what is the common thing in all of these numbers?
25.
They
Five.
always end in 5, ma'am.
Exactly. That's why I am writing the number ending with 5. Okay. All of these numbers are ending with 5. And you know, if you have gone through your book, this method is given in your book only, right? Okay. So whenever your number is ending with 5, let's say 35 square, your answer will come in two parts. Okay. The very first thing is very simple. Because your number is ending with 5, simply you write 25. Why? Because the square of 5 is 25. What is the square of 5? 25. Okay. See, 5 into 5 is 25. So if your number is ending with 5, first thing you will write 25. 5 into 5, 25. Now, do you all know what is successor?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what is successor? So what is the successor of 3 kids?
4.
So you multiply 3 with its successor. 3 into 4 is
12.
12. Okay. So what's your answer? Now this is your
1 to 2.
complete answer. This is your complete answer. 1, 2,
2,
2,
5.
5. Here we are going to write. Let's say we need to find a square of 15. So what is 5 into 5?
25.
25.
Okay. What is what is the successor of 1?
2.
1 into 2?
2.
2.
What's your answer?
225.
Hey, that's great. Okay.
Ma'am, I
What
have a
is
doubt.
25? Yeah. Who has doubt? Please ask me.
Ma'am, in case of 35, if we have 34, we have to do the square of 4.
No, this is only for number ending with 5. But don't worry, I am going to teach you a method in which you will learn any number. Okay, you will be learning a square of any number. All right. Now,
Ma'am, can you go up a little bit?
yeah, sure. Where you want me to go up? Now that's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now let's find the square of 25. What is 5 into 5?
25.
5 into 5?
25.
That's great. Okay. What is the successor of 2?
3.
3, ma'am.
2 into 3.
625.
Yay, it's 625. Wonderful. All right. 45 square. Who will explain now? Who will explain?
I will
Raise
explain.
your hand. Nayanika?
Ma'am, so
Start.
you're saying that 5 square first you have to write, which is 25, and then the successor of 4, which is 5, and then 4 into 5 is 20. So 2025 is the answer.
Wonderful. Okay. Now I will be calling your name one by one. Gagana, 55 square.
Ma'am, first we need to multiply 5 square, like 5 into 5, which is 25, and then 5 successor, which is 6.
Yeah.
6 into 5 is 30, so 3025.
Varshisht, explain 65 square.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Who is saying I have a doubt?
Ma'am, it's me, Shrestha.
Shresht, just a second. I'm clearing your doubt. Meanwhile, Varshisht, please explain the 65 square.
Ma'am, 5 square is 25. We'll write
Okay.
25 and 6 successor is 7. 7
Yeah.
into 6 is equals to 42.
Wow.
41, we will write 41.
What? What did you say? 41?
Ma'am, 6 into 7 is 41.
Hey, no. 6 into 7 is 42. It is 4225. Next, Shrestha, explain 75 square. Okay, kids, one more thing. I asked everyone to explain answer, okay? So be careful. 75 square. Shrestha,
5625.
5625. Correct answer. Can you explain how did you get that answer?
Ma'am, the successor of 7 is 8, so 8 into 7 is basically 56, and 5 square 25.
Right. Okay, Charan.
And
Charan
ma'am, I
Tej,
have a doubt.
ask your doubt.
Ma'am, does this only apply for
Ended with 5.
two-digit numbers?
Yeah. No. It is applicable for 3-digit number also. But see, as I have taken first class with you today, right? So don't worry. Slowly and gradually, I will be teaching you all these things. Okay. I cannot teach you all things today. You will be saying that I'm not going to attend next
Ma'am,
class. Yeah.
ma'am, this trick will only work for squares
This is
ending with
for
5.
ending with 5, but don't worry. I am going to teach to find any square. Okay.
From now
Let's say,
you will be the teacher, huh?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I will be teaching you if you have any number like 94, 36, 72, how to find. We are going to do that also. Okay. 85 square.
Mom, the trick could you
Ma'am.
explain again?
Okay. Who is going? Charan Tej, I asked you. Please explain.
Ma'am, 5 square is 25, 5 5 is 25. The successor of 8 is 9, 9 is the 72. So the answer is 7225.
Wow. Anyone who is left who has not given any answer?
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Gautam Krishna. Krishna, you?
Not done, ma'am.
Yeah, then tell. Next 95 square.
Ma'am, 5 square 25 and 9 successor 10. 9 10 is 90. 9025.
Wow. We have one more kid. Wait. Lasya. So I am giving you next question. Okay, you tell me 105 square. Explain, Lasya.
Sorry, ma'am, could you say again?
And Lasya, I am giving you another question. 105 square.
105 square.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Don't worry, kids. Yeah. Whosoever is not getting chance, write in the chat box. I am definitely going to explain again. Okay. So, Lasya, you didn't
Yes,
get.
ma'am.
All right. Pranav, Shiva. Shiva, you explain this question, please.
Which, ma'am?
Yeah.
Which question, ma'am?
105 square. 105 square, please.
25 at the last.
Yeah. What is the square of 5?
Like, we should write the 25 at the last.
Yeah.
25.
Yeah.
And 10.
10 into
And
11
11
is?
is the 110.
Yeah, so that's your
110.
answer.
Ma'am,
Okay.
11,025.
11,025 is also correct answer. All right, kids. Now let's quickly have a revision. Whatever we have done. Okay. where this plate ceremony, plate smashing ceremony is celebrated?
Ma'am,
It
I
is
have
a
a doubt, ma'am.
Greece.
Greek tradition. Yes, what is your doubt? Please tell me.
Ma'am, the trick, what did you said, ma'am? Could you explain again?
Okay, don't worry. We'll do that. Otherwise, tomorrow I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
explain. Okay. Yeah. Now,
Fine.
what do you mean? What do you understand by squares?
Equal.
Ma'am,
The
ma'am, a
number
multiplication
multiplied
and,
by
by
itself. When you multiply a number by itself, that is known as a squares. Okay. Another thing. What do you understand by perfect square?
Perfect
When you
square,
multiply a number by itself, the answer is a perfect square number. Okay. After that, we understood about the squares. Then what
Ma'am,
is the square of
result in which two numbers?
what? Now ask me. Now ask me. Who was saying something? Tell me. Oh, what happened, kids? Did you understand everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So now today we understood the meaning of a square. We understood the meaning of perfect square. We understood how to find a square of number ending with 5. What if I give you number starting with 5? Let's say 53 square. Do you know any method to find that? No?
No, ma'am.
Or what if we have any other number? And another question, how do you check whether the given number, okay, let's say the unit place of the number is 9 or 5. But how do you check whether given number is a perfect square or not? Yes, Pranav. We are going to cover everything, don't worry. And whatever the leftover part for your that data handling, that I will cover later on. Only, okay, first we are going to finish this square and square roots. After that, we are going to cover all the data handling remaining part. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you enjoy today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So when we have next class?
Tomorrow, ma'am.
Tomorrow. So let's meet tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, any other doubt? Last year you didn't understand the method.
Ma'am, from tomorrow you will come.
Yeah, now I will be taking your classes. Okay. Yeah. So let's say last year any number which is ending with 5, write the square of 5 and take the successor of remaining number. Let's say 35. So 5 5s are 25. Remaining 3, you multiply 3 with its next number, which is 4. So 3 into 4, 12. So 1225 is your answer. So that's it for today, kids. Now we are going to meet tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.